So today it is absolutely hammering it down with rain, which obviously normally no one would be quite happy about, but it's been so hot the last few days. This rain feels absolutely amazing, and really looking forward to staying indoors and drinking cups of tea. And luckily we went to the toy library at the weekend and picked up a huge plastic toy slide for Bridgie. So we've invited some of her baby friends around this morning, so we've all got somewhere to go and somewhere to play on such a rainy day. Raining, Bubba. That's rain, darling. I actually don't think Bridget's ever seen rain like this. She keeps trying to touch it. Bridget, can you touch the rain? Is it raining? Do you want to go out there and have a shower? It's still really hot, as you can tell by what she's wearing. It's still warm. It's that kind of tropical warm rain. Big hug. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Whee! Whoa! Decided to just quickly pop out to the shop instead, because none of our baby friends are free, and it's just stopped raining now, so a bit of fresh air. Oh god, it's a bit bright, isn't it? A bit of fresh air, and yeah, just get outside, buy some fruit. Oh, my hair is terrible. I've got like the worst mum button going on in the whole world. But look, all I care about is going outside, smelling the fresh air, going to the shop, buying some fruit, and not being indoors all day. Sun's come out! Can you believe it? After the start we had this morning, I honestly thought we were in for a day of rain. But no, no, no. Skies are blue, the sun is shining. That is Charles Street behind me. That is a crazy busy road. But this is my long driveway. And I live at the house at the very top. It's a big steep hill. It's really hard work. Yeah. So, it's my workout. Climb that hill about 10 times a day, it feels. Did we make it home, Bubba? Did we make it home? Hello! I've just realised I had no breakfast because I ate the rest of Bridget's breakfast, so my brain completely forgot that I'd only eaten like half of a toddler portion of breakfast and not a grown-up version, and I need to eat a lot of food. I am a person that is hungry. So I'm stood there thinking, why am I so hungry? It's not even 10 o'clock yet, it's 9:45. That's why. So now I'm going to have some kind of weird late breakfast. I'm going to have some avocado on toast. Okay, Bubba is down for her nap. It's 11:15, so I'm going to make a cup of tea. I'm going to clean the bathrooms upstairs, and then I'm going to do some online Christmas shopping in the UK to send to the people in the UK and in Ireland. So if I can get some stuff ordered, then they'll be done. Another thing off my to-do list. Hug. what we do after you wake up from your nap, isn't it? Bridgie comes and gets into Mummy's bed for a quick little cuddle. Don't know why. She just walks into my bedroom and gets into bed and then pats it and asks me to get into bed too. And then she asks me for my phone and she wants to watch Peppa Pig. Probably not the best parenting thing, but...
Hold tight. I want to push George.
Aww. So, we're going to the Sci-Tech Museum. We were going to go the other day and then whatever happened, we didn't end up going. So we're going to go right now because it's like 1:30, so yeah, we get a good chance to have a good play. It's really fun there and Bridget learns absolutely loads, even though it's like a bit manic and it's full of kids, but still, it's an adventure. Off we go. So the Sci-Tech was having a fire alarm and everyone was evacuated when we got there, so that's a bit of a failed mission. So, abort. There's an outlet shopping centre next door to it, so we'll go in here, but you know toddlers hate shopping, so we'll probably end up just going home instead. She's so excited. What is it? What can you see? Yeah, look at that! Run away because we wanted to see the big green thing. Now we're going back the other way. You're crazy today. Oh, Christmas tree! And that lasted for 2 seconds. Hi, Bridgie. Hi. Hi, Bridgie. Hi. You like them? Yeah. Are you driving the train? Choo choo. We've just got home from our trip. It got crazy hectic. Bridget literally went mental. She's still a bit mental now. I think it's like the excitement and the buzz of the city and all the different people. She just, oh my god, just mentalist and screaming on the bus because I wouldn't let her push the button. Like, Bridgie, you can't push the button because then the poor bus man will keep stopping at every stop. So yeah, and then now we've just got home. I'm really hungry because I had weird breakfast, so I've had no lunch, so I'm starving. I'm trying to make some food. I'd love a cup of tea, but obviously Bridget's cray cray. She keeps needing my help for things, really random. We've only been home for 10 minutes and she's dunked the iPod into a bowl of water. And now she's done a poo, so now I've got to go and change a pooey bum. And then when I get down, yeah, it's now 4:10, so pretty much by the time I'm downstairs from poo bum changing, I've got to start making dinner. And that's that. Oh, she's crazy. Oh. Are you ready? Are you ready? Oh. She's getting me.